Welcome to Bike Rider Pro. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 has always been more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of heritage, craftsmanship, and pure riding pleasure. For 2026, the Classic 350 gets a major update, blending its old-school charm with modern performance and technology. In this video, we'll dive deep into the design, engine, features, performance, and why this bike continues to be the heart and soul of Royal Enfield. Design and styling. The Classic 350 has always carried its retro DNA proudly, and the 2026 version takes that legacy forward. The iconic round headlamp with chrome bezel, teardrop fuel tank, and pinstripe detailing remain intact. However, Royal Enfield has refined the design with sleeker LED elements, new alloy wheel options, and premium finishes. The bike now comes in exciting new shades like deep chrome black, regal green, and matte sandstone, ensuring riders have both vintage and modern choices. Engine and performance. Underneath its classic shell, the 2026 Classic 350 runs on a 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine, tuned for smoother throttle response and better refinement. It now produces around 21 horsepower and 28 Newton-meters of torque, offering effortless cruising across highways and city streets. The engine is BS7/Euro 6 compliant, ensuring cleaner emissions while keeping that iconic thump alive. A new slip and assist clutch improves gear shifts, while vibration levels have been reduced dramatically thanks to a refined balancer shaft. Ride and comfort. Royal Enfield has worked extensively on the chassis for 2026. The bike uses an updated twin downtube frame that enhances stability at higher speeds. The suspension setup, with telescopic forks up front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, has been tuned for a plusher ride, especially on rough roads. A wider, more cushioned seat ensures long-distance comfort, while improved ergonomics allow riders of different heights to find a natural, relaxed posture. Features and technology. While staying true to its retro roots, the 2026 Classic 350 now comes equipped with subtle but impactful modern features. A semi-digital instrument cluster combines an analog speedometer with an LCD panel showing fuel level, trip meters, and gear position. Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation system is now standard, offering turn-by-turn directions via smartphone connectivity. Dual-channel ABS, LED lighting, and optional tubeless tires make the motorcycle safer and more convenient for everyday use. Variants and customization. Royal Enfield understands that Classic 350 riders love personalization. The 2026 lineup includes multiple factory variants: standard, chrome, dark, and signals editions. Additionally, a wide range of official accessories such as touring seats, fly screens, saddlebags, and crash guards allow riders to customize their Classic according to their style and purpose. Price and market position. The 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is expected to be priced competitively, starting around $3,500 to $4,200 internationally or 2.3 Indian rupees to 2.8 Indian rupees lakh in India, depending on the variant. This makes it one of the most affordable retro-modern motorcycles in its segment, going head-to-head with rivals like the Honda SCB 350 and Jawa 42, yet holding its ground with unmatched heritage and brand value. Final verdict. The 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is not just an upgrade, it's a careful evolution of a legend. It manages to stay true to its roots while embracing modern reliability and comfort. Whether you're a first-time rider or a seasoned enthusiast, the Classic 350 offers an unmatched emotional connection with every ride. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that blends history, performance, and style, the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic